considered, world powers.
Any thoughts on that? What was the question again? I don't think I got it.
What are some of the other countries in the world that could be considered world powers?
Other countries in the world that could be considered a world power. There are other countries out there besides the United States.
Yes, hard as it is to
Caleb? Asia?
Well, Asia is a good guess. Actually, that's a continent, though. It's made up of a lot of different countries. In Asia, you could consider China and India are both world powers. So that would be a great example. Also, in Europe, there's England and France and Italy and Germany are all world powers. We have Canada to the north and Mexico to the south. There are world powers really all around us. So when you hear about other countries, you're like, and you hear about the president meeting them, then you know that is dealing with international powers. Okay, on to the legislative branch. Headed by Congress, which includes the House of Representatives and the Senate, the main task of these two bodies is to make the laws. Its powers include passing laws, originating spending bills for the House, impeaching officials in the Senate, and approving treaties in the Senate. So, House of Representatives and the Senate. How many representatives are there in the House of Representatives? This might be a little hard.
We haven't covered it yet, but let's see what they can do. Madison?
25?
She said 25.
Actually, that is a good guess, but it is a huge number, about 435, if I remember correctly. And then the Senate is much easier to remember because if you think 50 states times 2, then you get the number of senators, which is 100. So a little hard to remember, but hence good to note. The main task of these two bodies is to make the laws. So they are responsible for making the laws that affect all of us every day. The judicial branch is headed by the Supreme Court, and its powers include interpreting the Constitution, reviewing laws, and deciding cases involving states' rights. So would anybody can anybody think about something that the Supreme Court has decided on? And it could be from a long time ago, it could be recently.
Okay.